Umhlangano wanamhlanje uqinisa izinsolo zomdonsiswano ophakathi kaNdunankulu kaZulu kanye neSilo yize kade bekuphika lokho. Umhlangano ubuthanyelwe ngamakhosi, abantwana basendlunkulu nosombusazwe owayengundunakulu wesifundazwe uDokotela uZweli Mkhize. Yize ingqikithi yalomhlangano ikhulunywe ngasese, uShenge uzwakalise ungaphatheki kahle ngesinqumo seNgonyama sokukhipha owabe yijaji uJerome Ngwenya kwesikasihlalo yafaka iNkosi yasemazemeleni athi ayinawo amava okuba kulesikhundla.
I had been made aware that from the outset iNkosi Mzimela had pleaded for his nomination to be withdrawn when the king first suggested his appointment. In fact, I've been shown a letter that iNkosi Mzimela intended giving to the king, in which he conveyed that he does not have the capacity to run the board.
Umntwana Wakwaphindangene uthi wakudlulisela eNgonyameni lokhu kodwa yakushaya indiva. Uveze namahlebezi ukuthi kunosomabhizinisi waseMpumalanga uJacob Mnisi obesehlonzelwe esikasihlalo.
This raises fundamental questions on whether His Majesty is being held ransom by individuals who are salivating to get their hands on the KweNgonyama trust land. The board is being made vulnerable by removing legal and technical expertise from the helm. There are rumors of bribes being offered and strategies developed to ensure that the rich inheritance of the Zulu nation in KweNgonyama trust land can be taken from us for the enrichment of corrupt individuals.
uShenge uthi usenxuse iNgonyama kuba ibize imbizo yesizwe ngalolu daba athi lizoholela ekushenqeni kwakhe kwesikandunakulu wesizwe samaZulu.